All right, a little background on the Arlo. The Arlo Pro 1, the battery life, it can last for a few days, a week to a month. It really doesn't last very long, the batteries on this model. This is the Arlo 702p, 702p pixels. The quality is more like 480, or dare I say 280p, maybe 300p, depending on how many pixels your eyes can calculate. Now, the camera acts as a deterrent, yes, just like any other camera. It changes behavior. So it's the all-seeing eye. The unknown of how much it can see and how much it can record is pretty astounding. So it has a 110-degree field of view. It picks up only so far away on motion detection. It can only see so far. So appearance, sleek, it's weatherproof, wireless, ease of use. It loads up. When you load up the app, it usually shows most relevant motion capture, which is great. It's good about that. It has a delay. It misses stuff. It has a delay when you try to record stuff. It doesn't really capture the first few seconds of something moving by, and it misses stuff sometimes because the internet. Who knows? But the software, low quality video capture for this model on lower end models. Pros and ease of installation, the whole thing. It can mount in multiple ways. It has a magnetic mount on screw or a screw-on mount. Wishes for all models. I mean, the wishes I have for this one is audio. It doesn't have audio capture, and a way to turn off the recording light while recording instead of sticking a black piece of tape over it. The red lights and the blue lights blinking, blue when initializing and red for night vision, the infrared. The camera wants to be known. And when people see this camera, they go nuts. So if that's what you want, if you want to change behavior and not get criminals to steal your stuff, then yes, get a video camera. And this one wants to be known. It's not hidden. It's not hidden at all, because there'll be red lights blinking, infrared lights showing at nighttime. You'll have green lights for the initialization and it's just on, and sometimes it's on, sometimes not. So there's all kind of blinking lights on it. It wants to be known. So that's my review of this awesome Arlo Pro camera. This is a review of the Arlo security camera system. As you can see, this is the base station of the Arlo, the original, and it has these connectors back here, a power, and then I believe an Ethernet. So it's got the internet, the signal for your cameras when they're working or syncing up, and then the power button. And then down here is a sync button. So that's got some cat hair. Got some cat hair on it. So that's the base station. Now, let's bring on a little camera over here. I would say the base station is pretty neat. So here is the camera in all its glory. It has night vision, and the batteries, here's a sync button up here. Well, we'll show you later once it focuses. But the batteries come out right here, and it's got a little place where you can twirl it on a post. I'll show you that here shortly. Now the battery compartment is a little tricky to get out. You gotta hold that button up while you pull out, and it comes with 4 CR, these little batteries in here. CR1, 2, 3, whatever. But I dropped this from 8 feet, and it works. Not this one. I have 3 of them. I got the 3-pack. But they're pretty durable. If I can drop it on concrete from 8 feet and it survived, then it's a pretty good camera. Now, I'm going to get, as soon as this gets done loading, as soon as my computer gets done loading, I can go through a checklist. This is a computer, but I can go through I have my notes written on here, and I can tell you all about it's got a update, but I can tell you all about the system. This camera. So let's talk about this. This is a mount that the camera goes on. This, you can put a screw in the wall and then put that in and slide it down, and then or place this on a metal surface and it can magnetically attach. So this is all metal. So in the back of the camera, it's magnetic. So there you go. So that places on a wall or anywhere. It's outdoor or indoor. It's pretty sealed up, so it's waterproof as much as an electronic thing could be. I mean, it still has places where water can get in, but so far so good. So I'm going to be logging on here, and I'm going to tell you all about this Arlo camera in just a few moments. But in the meantime, I'm going to give you some, see, it's pretty neat the way it is. I have it off, and you have an app that goes to your smartphone, and on the smartphone, it'll show you, it'll have where you can arm it or disarm it, or it's on or off, and then you can show, it's mostly a motion detection device, and you can manually hit record, and it'll record video for it, and you have up to 7 days of cloud storage, just the free version. So you have that. Here is the battery compartment when it's open. There are 4 CR123 yada 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 batteries. These are rechargeable batteries. That's what you want to get. And they insert into the back. And then to close it, you just pull up a little bit, push down, and slide it back in. And that's how you do that.